हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एडफेल्को एकेडमी। आज मैं आपके लिए लाया हूं अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम जेई एडवांस। लेट्स लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन। लेट a1 a2 a3 be an arithmetic progression with a1 is equal to 7 and common difference 8. Let t1 t2 t3 be such that t1 is equal to 3 and tn plus 1 minus tn is equal to an for all n greater than equal to 1. Then which of the following statements is are true? चार ऑप्शन दिया है। ए T20 इज इक्वल टू 1604, सिग्मा, ऑप्शन बी सिग्मा फ्रॉम के इज इक्वल टू 1 to 20 टी के इज इक्वल टू 10,510, ऑप्शन सी T30 is equal to 3,454 and option D TK from K is equal to 1 to 30 is 35,610. So let's start from the very basic. We all know that for an arithmetic progression, the nth term of an AP series is given as an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d, where an is nothing but the nth term, a1 is the first term, n is the nth term or the number of terms that we are talking about, and d is the common difference. So if we take the inputs that is given to us in the question, a1 will become equal to 7 plus n minus 1 into d. d के जगह पर हम लोग यहाँ पर 8 डाल देंगे because it is given as 8. So that means it is 7 plus 8n minus 8, which is nothing but 8n minus 1. So अपने पास एक आ गया, एक रिजल्ट आया कि an is nothing but 8n minus 1. So after an, let's see what happens to t, because all the options are asking for t. So if you see, we have been given tn plus 1 minus tn is equal to an. So that means t of 2 minus t of 1 is equal to a1 होना चाहिए. Same way t3 minus t2 होना चाहिए a2 and t4 minus t3 होना चाहिए a3 and so on, right? Till we reach the point, क्योंकि यहाँ पर T20 के बारे में पूछा है और T30 के बारे में पूछा है. So let's see, let's take T20. So it will be T20 minus T19 is equal to A19. Now if you add all of this, you can see that T2 will cancel from T2, T3 from T3, T4 from T4 and so on, and you can see that till T19 everything will be cut. We will be left with just T20 minus T1. On the right hand side, we will have nothing but sigma of AI from n is equal to 1 to 19. So now it is very clear, we can find out T20 from here. So T20 minus T1 is already given to us as 3 is equal to sigma AI n is equal to 1 to 19. Now we can simply use the sum of all the n, sum of the terms till n for the arithmetic progression, which is nothing but sum n is equal to the first term plus the nth term into n by 2. This is the simple formula. So now T20 minus 3 will become equal to, यहाँ पर a1 is given as 7, an you can see it will become 8 into 19 because we are finding up till 19, so 8 into 19 minus 1. So we are utilizing this expression for an, and then into 19 by 2. तो अब जब T20 का एक्सप्रेशन पता चल गया तो we can directly solve for T20 by putting the values. So once on solving, after putting all the values, you see that you will get 1504, which is not the value that is given. So option A is wrong. अब ऑप्शन C देख लेते हैं क्योंकि वो भी सेम वे में ही सॉल्व हो जाएगा. So T30, it is asking about T30 this time. So again we will start with the same thing. T2 minus T1 is equal to A1 T3 minus T2 is equal to A2, T4 minus T3 is equal to A3 and so on. इस बार हम लोग T30 तक लिखते हैं एक्सप्रेशन को, T30 minus T29 is equal to A29. अब हम लोग दोनों साइड ऐड कर देते हैं. LHS को ऐड करने से as you can see all T2, T3, T4 till T29 everything will cancel out. We will be just left with T30 minus T1. On the right hand side it will be summation of all these terms, which is A1 plus A2 plus A3 up till A29, which means it is sigma of AI from I is equal to 1 to 29. Therefore T30 is nothing but equal to T1 plus sum of all the A1, A2, A3 till A29 terms, which is T1 plus A1 plus A29 by 2 into 29. And now we can put the values in this expression. So T1 के जगह पे 3, A1 will become 7, 20 and A29 is nothing but 8 into 29 minus 1, and we can put that all these values in this expression. You will see that you will get 3454, which is the value that is given over here. So option C is correct. आइए अब देख लेते हैं ऑप्शन बी और डी को भी साथ में. So here we need tk. What we are given is tn plus 1 minus tn is equal to an. So that means I can also put it as tk minus एक पीछे का term which is minus tk minus 1 is equal to a k minus 1. So now with this tk will become equal to tk minus 1 plus ak minus 1. ये recurrent equation type हो गया, which means कि now tk minus 1 can also be replaced as tk minus 2 plus ak minus 2 plus ak minus 1. Now tk minus 2 को हम फिर से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं tk minus 3 plus ak minus 3 plus ak minus 2 plus ak minus 1, right? So ये इस तरह से रिपीट होता चला जाएगा. Now that means कि एक पॉइंट आएगा where it will become t1 plus a1 plus a2 plus dot 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 plus ak minus 1. ये एक्सप्रेशन आ जाएगा tk का. So that means this expression is nothing but tk is equal to t1 plus sum of all the ai terms from 1 to k minus 1, which is sigma ak from k is sigma a, let's take ai, sigma of ai from I is equal to 1 till k minus 1. So this is the expression of your tk that we will get. So with that expression of tk in hand, now it's a matter of solving it. So tk will become equal to t1, which can be replaced with 3 plus sigma of 8i minus 1. So we already know ai can be written as 8i minus 1. So now it will be 3 plus 8 times sigma of I from I is equal to 1 to k minus 1 minus sigma of 1 from I is equal to 1 to k minus 1. So it will be 3 plus the second term is nothing but the sum of first k minus 1 integers. So it will be we already know that the answer is for the first n integers is n plus n into n plus 1 by 2, right? So for first k minus 1 integers it will be k minus 1 into k by 2, and minus this is nothing but simply addition k minus 1 times of 1. So it will be k minus 1. Now just keep solving for this tk, this algebraic expression. You will get tk is equal to 3 plus 4k square minus 4k minus k plus 1, and then finally you are going to get tk is equal to 4k square minus 5k plus 4. Just algebraic expression को solve करते जाना. So अभी जब हम लोग को tk पता चल गया, which is 4k square minus 5k plus 4, so now we can do the summation of this expression on both the sides. So tk from k is equal to 1 to 20 is equal to 4 times summation of k square from k is equal to 1 to 20 minus 5 times summation of k from k is equal to 1 to 20 plus 4 times summation of 1 from k is equal to 1 to 20. So after that it's just a matter of solving. You should know like the sigma of k square is nothing but k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 6, which is the sum of squares of first n natural numbers. So that is what you can put here. Then sigma of k वो पता ही है, k into k plus 1 by 2, और sigma of 1 तो simple 4 into 20 will give you 80 there. So now we just put the values of k for 20 for, because we have to take for, we are checking for option B, so we are taking k as 20. So we'll put all the values of wherever k is there, we'll put the value of 20 there, and after solving you will see that it comes out to 10,510. So which means B option is also correct. Now solving for the last option D is not at all difficult. We can just substitute, everything remains same, but only the upper limit of the summation becomes 30. So it will be summation from k is equal to 1 till 30 tk is equal to 4 times summation k square from k is equal to 1 till 30 minus 5 times summation k from k is equal to 1 to 30 plus 4 times summation 1 of k is equal to 1 to 30, and then the expression is the same. We will just put the values of 30 of wherever k is there, and you will see that you are finally going to get 35,615, which means that the expression is not same as whatever is given here, the value is not same as whatever is given here. So option D हमारा यहाँ पे wrong है. So finally the answer to this question will be B and C. So hope you enjoyed this problem. We will keep coming up with more problems like this for JEE Advanced. Stay tuned, join our channel, share, like and subscribe on Edfalco Academy, and see you soon. Keep preparing, keep enjoying. Thank you.